Hello everyone, this is Umakant Patra, Research Scholar Department of Physics IIT Bombay. So welcome all of you to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss some of the important portions from the statistical mechanics. So as you know, statistical mechanics is one of the important topic in physics. So from where you are getting 12 to 40 mark at least in your examination, and your CS and NET and GATE examination very closer to you. So you are all preparing for your examination. So I think I have to ping you all that you should not neglect this portion at least, because this portion will be very much effective to score uh, 4 to 5 marks in bonus to your performance. Okay, so let's start the session and discuss important portion from the statistical mechanics. So as you see from beginning of the statistical mechanics, the concept like phase space trajectory is one of the important portion. Phase space trajectory is important. So this phase space trajectory, as you know, it is a 6 dimensional space, and the question is coming like to draw the phase space trajectory for different situation, different potential, different systems. Like suppose you are given a harmonic oscillator, you are given a damping system, and you are given with a different potential. So what will the phase space trajectory for the system? So this is the question. This question will be like this. So you should prepare phase space trajectory as well. And if you come to the statistical definition of entropy, that is S equal to kb ln omega, and omega is the microstate. So the question will be like there is certain system will given to you, and number of bosons, fermions and classical particles are given to you. So the system will be canonical in nature. Okay, so the system will be microcanonical in nature, so you have to count the microstate and substitute this microstate, you will get entropy. So different physical and conceptual question also comes from this concept, that is the statistical definition of the entropy and the equilibrium condition. So beside that, the concept like ensemble, the concept like ensembles is very much important in statistical mechanics. That means you have to study about three different kind of ensemble like micro canonical, canonical and grand canonical ensemble. And important is that how you can use this micro canonical, canonical and grammar canonical ensemble into the different situations in the physical systems. Okay, this is important. The question will be framed into different into in different ways, so you have to be careful about this concept. Okay, so these three are very much important if you see the introduction to the statistical mechanics. Okay, then move to the next portion. The next portion, as all of you know, that the concept of partition function, the concept of partition function is very much important, which is famously known as z equal to summation gi e to the power minus beta ei. And this beta ei, this gi is the degeneracy factor, and this beta is the Boltzmann constant, and E is the energy for the corresponding state I. Okay, but the concept is like that, how to use this partition function and how you can derive the partition function for the different system like quantum harmonic oscillator, like classical harmonic oscillator, rotational system. So different situation have the corresponding partition function. So try to find out the partition function. Suppose you have partition function in your hand, then you can derive all the thermodynamical quantities associated with this partition function. Okay, so as you know, suppose you have partition function, suppose you have a partition function z. Okay, you have a particular partition function, and you are asked to find the average energy of the system, you are asked to find the Helmholtz free energy of the system, you are asked to find the Gibbs free energy of the system, chemical potential of the system, entropy, pressure, volume, enthalpy, everything you can get from this partition function. Cv, which is most famous in this concept, that is the specific heat at constant volume. Cv and Cp, everything you will get if you have this partition function. Okay, so this partition function is very much important in statistical mechanics. One question is minimum from this partition function. So if you see the question from 2020, 2020, 21, so there is a question from partition function. Last time there is a question to find the free energy of the quantum harmonic oscillator from the partition function. Okay, so you can't neglect this concept of partition function in statistical mechanics. So try to cover as much as possible from this partition function. Okay, so you know how to find this average energy, like minus del by del beta of ln z. So there are several formulas, you have to revise it. Okay, the concept is like that. Okay, next thing is that the biggest thing is like quantum harmonic oscillator. Quantum harmonic oscillator. So the partition, finding a partition function, this for the quantum harmonic oscillator is very much important. As you know, this quantum mechanical harmonic oscillator possesses a partition function in the form of e to the power minus beta h cot omega by 2 by 1 minus e to the power minus beta h equal to omega. So if you have this partition function, now you can derive all the thermodynamical quantities associated with this quantum harmonic oscillator. Similarly, if for the case of classical harmonic oscillator, the partition function have the form beta h equal to omega to the power minus n for one dimension. So if you have this partition function, then every quantity will be easily derived at this moment. Okay. So also rotational partition function also important. So you have to know how to derive this. Okay. So this is all about up to the partition function. If I will like to move forward, then the concept will be like, what is the difference between classical distribution, that is Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution, Fermi-Dirac distribution, and Bose-Einstein distribution. Basically, this is the classical statistics, and this is the quantum statistical mechanics. So you know the basic difference of between these three type of distribution of a statistical system, and what is their distribution function and corresponding degeneracy factor. Degeneracy factor is very much important. This degeneracy factor for the three different distribution very much important. Question is asked like, suppose three bosons and two system are there, four system are there. How many number of distribution will be there? So this is important. Also accordingly, use of these different statistical systems into the physical or the real systems is very much, implementation of this distribution into the real system is very much important. Okay, so up to this is the important statistical mechanical system. Even if you see the next, then the Bose-Einstein condensation is very much important. That is, if you lower down the temperature of a bosonic system, then maximum boson or almost all the bosons will occupy the ground state energy. This is the Bose-Einstein condensation. But the question is coming like, why Bose-Einstein condensation is not occurring in 2D and 1D? Then what is Bose transition temperature? Okay, so Fermi gas, Bose gas, these are the most important concepts. You should aware of this Bose-Einstein condenser very well, because at least a question can be expected from this question, from this portion. Okay. Yes. Also, if you see, then the phase transition also important. Then phase transition is also important, because in phase transition we are studying about the first order phase transition and second order phase transition. And the important thing is like, at equilibrium, which quantities get maintain continuity and discontinuity. Like in first order phase transition, what happened, the Gibbs energy is continuous, but the first derivative of the Gibbs energy like pressure, volume, entropy, etc. are get discontinued. Okay, this is the first order phase transition. Example also important. But in second order phase transition, the thing is not like that. There is a continuity of the first order derivative of G, but the second order derivative of Gibbs energy is discontinuous. Okay, so this is the second order phase transition. Another example, if you see, then the superconductor to normal conductor, ferro to paramagnetic transition, or antiferro to paramagnetic transition. These all are the, or helium 2 to helium 1 liquid transition, all are the under the second order phase transition. This phase transition also one of the important question. So MCQ question or MSQ question yes, are expected from this portion. Okay, so this is the Bose-Einstein statistics. Also, if you see, then Ising model is also important for CSR net. If you see here, then Ising model is also important for the CSR net point of view. One question may be expected, like you have to know what is the form of the Hamiltonian in one dimensional system, then corresponding average energy, and different type of question also asked previously. You should look for the Ising model, because one 5-mark question in the part C will be more there. I think it is repeated all the time, a question from the Ising model. Okay, but in GATE you will not expect a question from Ising model, because it is somehow advanced and resource oriented topic. Okay, so this is the Ising model questions. And if you see, then statistical mechanics also can have the question from the paramagnetic system, like suppose a spin system have Hamiltonian like SI S1 SI S1 S2 something like spin term will be there, and the Hamiltonian will be the form of minus SI mu v. Okay, this will be the Hamiltonian form, and the spin will be like plus or minus 1 will be given, so you will get with the 2 Hamiltonian. Then the partition function will be summation e to the power minus beta ei. So this term will give you a cos hyperbolic term, and corresponding energy and a CV Helmholtz energy, everything can be derived. But the pattern will be from the from this type, that light is you are given with a particle having two different spin, the Hamiltonian will be in this form. So you will ask to find any of the quantity. So this is one of the type of question can be expected. Okay. And one of the important thing, I think the question from I think the question is the question will be from the partition function for a given potential. Suppose you have provided with a particular potential Vx. Suppose one dimensional potential is given to you. So you have to find the average energy or something like that. So you have to first find the partition function. So for the given potential, the partition function is always 1 by h cot 2 pi m by beta root over integration over minus infinite to plus infinite e to the power minus beta Vx dx. So this is the general formula for the potential Vx and the corresponding partition function. So once you get the partition function, you can get every thermodynamical variables, okay, of the system. So friends, this is the important portion from the statistical mechanics. So overall I can say, starting from the phase space, then Liouville's theorem, then statistical definition of entropy, then Maxwell-Boltzmann classical distribution, partition function, ensemble, then three different type of statistical distribution like Maxwell, for Dirac and Bose-Einstein distribution, then Bose-Einstein condensation, and the corresponding quantum harmonic oscillator, classical harmonic oscillator, then rotational partition function, and then potential and given partition function, and the different thermodynamical quantities from the partition function. These are the important questions. Phase transition also is there, and Ising model. So cover this portion at least. Okay, so you will get you can handle all the questions from the statistical mechanics without any doubt. Okay, so it is very easy to score actually statistical mechanics. It is somehow easy also to score statistical mechanics. The concept is not easy in statistical mechanics. The concept is very more deeper. Okay, so if exam point of view you will see, then it is easy to score at least from the statistical mechanics. So hope all the best to all of you. So you will do better in your examination. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you.